Hi guys, this is Sarath and explain you how to download, install Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Why Jupyter Notebook? Basically while you are writing any course in Python, Jupyter Notebook is the platform where you can write our course. How to install Anaconda? You need to check your system first. What is your system? What is your operating system? So for that, you just search the settings. Okay, and after that you can go to the about. You can see here what is your operating system. I have RAM of 4 GB. I have processor of Intel, and my system is a 64-bit operating system. So I need to install, and this is a Windows 10 operating system. So I need to install a 64-bit Anaconda, which is compatible with which will be compatible with Windows 10. Okay, so how to install Anaconda? You need to go to the Google, just type Anaconda free download. Okay, this comes, then the first link. This is the Anaconda different, you can view in this way, and as you go down, you can see here. See, in the last page you can see there are three sections are there. The installation for Windows operating system, installation for Mac OS operating system, and their installation of Linux. So as I am having the Windows operating system and 64-bit 64-bit, so I need to install this one. Okay, so I need to click this one, and it will show you the path how to install. You need to just press next, and ensure all the necessary box. Click on all the necessary boxes. Then you can after that you will be able to install the Anaconda. So when after installing Anaconda, how then when installation is finished, then how I will go and see my Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so again you can search in the search button. You can search option, you can just type Anaconda prompt, right? Double click on the Anaconda prompt. This is the command prompt. CMD window, Anaconda CMD window will appear, and this is my current working directory where my Python is installed. C user and Sharath. If I can show you. This is my C drive. This is my user. I can see this is my working directory where my Anaconda 3 is installed. Okay, so that's why it's showing here the Anaconda C user slash Sharath. This is the current path. Now suppose I want to change the path, so the change directory, you can write the cd change directory, and where you want to, suppose I want to change my directory to another Python new. Suppose I have created a folder Python new where I want to put all my course here. Whatever I will write in Jupyter, I will save here. So this will be my working directory, and this will be my path. Just click on this path and copy this one, and you can change your working directory here, cd, then the path, c colon slash, then Python new. Okay, this then the working directory has been changed from C user Sharath to C drive Python new. Now I can type Jupyter Notebook. Just remember, the spelling should not be should be correct. It should be Jupyter, Jupyter Notebook, Notebook, and press enter. It will go to it will take you in the notebook directly. Okay, it will take some few seconds. Then you will able to come to this Jupyter Notebook page. Okay, So now it's coming. Yeah, see, these are the all files are saved in that folder. All the files are whatever the file you have saved, text file, CSV file, JPG file, whatever the files you have saved, it will show. And the notebooks are having the Jupyter notebook is having extension IPYNB. Remember, okay. If you want to write a new code, you can press new Python 3. So it will give you a new platform, Anaconda Jupyter platform, where you can write your code. Okay, it's coming. And this is a local host. Okay, you can see here it is written localhost 8891. Okay, this is called shell. This is the fastest shell is showing here, where we can write our codes. Okay, so uh, what about if I want to put another shell? How to put? You can press A. For example, I am writing here some text I want to write. So hash, then this is my first Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this is I have mentioned hash here because this is a text I want to show as a text here. So I can go to here and I can press markdown. Okay, and run it. This is my first Jupyter notebook. So, and if I want to, suppose I am here in this cell and to insert some cell above and below. So for above you can just press A button, and for below you just insert B button. It will automatically insert a cell below the current cell or below the above cell, and above the current cell. A for above the current cell, B for below the current cell. And similarly another shortcut is there. You can press plus button also. Okay, and you want to delete a cell, you can use the seizure. Okay, and for example I have used this markdown, and I want to insert another line with a smaller font size. So I can put double hash and I can write cool. Okay, so then shift enter to run the code whatever I have written on the cell. You just press shift enter. Okay, this will also work. You can press run button, or you can directly press shift enter. This is shortcut keys. Okay, so so how to print something? Suppose I want to print hello world. So this is my print. Remember it should be always small letter. Print hello world. Okay, then shift enter. See, hello world is printed here. Suppose I want to print a complete paragraph. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to press 3 before and after the paragraph, 3 columns. I have to mention 3 commas. Okay, and then I can put here the different whatever my paragraph is there. Okay, then shift enter. See, it is printed. Complete paragraph will be printed. Okay, so in this way we can write our codes here in Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this is the and what are these tabs? We are having the file tab. We can open, we can for example if I want to open, this is all the Python codes, whatever file I have saved, it will appearing. Okay, and for example I have now Python basic 1. This is the okay, this is the Jupyter notebook, and the edit option is there. We can cut the cell, copy cell, everything is there. Another is the kernel import Jupyter. You can interrupt the kernel, you can restart kernel. What is the kernel? For example, this is the kernel. The total page is